Clip Studio Paint is a professional drawing and illustration software widely used by digital artists, comic creators, and animators. Clip Studio Paint is the 2026 industry standard for digital artists and webtoon creators, offering an unmatched vector brush engine, comic layouts, and a massive 3D asset library. It is sold as CSP Pro for single artwork and CSP EX for multi-page projects and animation. While highly valuable, its crowded interface has a steep learning curve, and the annual Update Pass subscription model is a downside for lifetime buyers. The Clip Studio Paint annual Update Pass for Windows and Mac OS is priced at $10.99 for Clip Studio Paint Pro. Meanwhile, the Advanced Clip Studio Paint EX annual Update Pass costs $31.99, allowing you to sign up and get the latest version regardless of your perpetual license. Reddit users say Clip Studio Paint is a big upgrade from SAI with lots of brushes, 3D models, and smooth performance. It has a learning curve but useful resources to learn it. Overall, it's best for digital artists wanting powerful tools. Overall, it's worth buying for serious artists and illustrators, but casual users may find simpler tools more than enough. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.